Your car or bike is an extension of your personality. The people bringing life to your vivid imaginations through your automobile are AK Customs, one of leading brands in India for wrap jobs, paint jobs, aesthetic, audio and performance modifications.
आपकी मशीन भी आपकी पर्सनैलिटी के साथ लिंक कहीं ना कहीं होती है। तो मैं सबको यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि लेट्स स्टॉप ड्राइविंग बोरिंग कार्स एंड अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी गाड़ियों को मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं। यू कैन मेक देम लुक ब्यूटीफुल एस्थेटिकली फॉर दैट AK Custom is always there for you.
AK Customs caters to all your needs under one roof. Located in Gurgaon, our automobile styling partner is our recommended choice to make your vehicle stand out from the crowd. At B&D Motorsport events, safety is our priority. The drivers and vehicles competing are checked for safety clearance before hitting the track. The process is called vehicle scrutiny. Mr. Parvinder Chawla, a motorsport veteran with decades of experience under his belt, is our chief scrutineer for Race Wars India. With 3 battles completed, it's time to focus back on the action. Battle number 4 is personal. 2 superstars of motorsport. 2 drivers who have completely different vehicles. But there is no love lost between them. With PSP personalities, it is guaranteed fireworks on and off track. It's Achintya Mehrotra versus Vidit Jain.
मैंने देखा है ऐसे कई लोगों को जो उधारी की गाड़ी पे ही जीते हैं सिर्फ, ठीक है, और पैपे रोते रहते हैं उसके बाद। समझ में आ रहा है ना भाई किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो समझ जाओ। Hi guys, I'm Achintya Mehrotra, 30 years old from Delhi, and I'm ready for Race Wars. See you there. So I promoted myself to pro mod automatically, even though technically I was not a pro driver, but still I went by the SR, and that time the SR said that if you have qualified in the top 4 or something, you are deemed to be a pro driver. So I said that I want to challenge against myself only, so I will go to the pro class instead of being in the amateur class only. नहीं तो फिर वो अंधों में कांडा राजा वाली बात हो जाती है कि हाँ बस जीतते जा रहे हैं और कैबिनेट भरने के लिए सिर्फ कर रहे हो।
K24 बैन करा दी।
मैंने कोई बैन नहीं कराया था भाई,
420 सीसी
कुछ नहीं भाई, वो आज भी आ रही है लेकिन वो जीत पा रही है,
वो अलग बात है।
मैंने कुछ बैन नहीं कराया।
बंदा मेहनत नहीं कर रहा उस गाड़ी,
बंदा बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, ऐसी बात नहीं, वो बहुत मेहनती आदमी है। वो व्हील एंड टायर वेट्स कैलकुलेट कर रहा है, बता रहा है कितना है, पूछता है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
रेसिंग में भी नया आता तो उसको पहले क्या कराना चाहिए, मॉड या मॉड कराएं या ना कराएं?
यार सबसे पहले ना अपनी स्टॉक गाड़ी को निचोड़ो अच्छे से, जब तक उसको नहीं निचोड़ोगे उससे पहले कोई मॉड मत कराना। ये थंब रूल होना चाहिए। ये जितने भी लोग हैं कि हम ये करा लेंगे वो करा लेंगे, रीमैप करा लेंगे, एक तो ये रीमैप इंडस्ट्री में तो स्टेज 1 स्टेज 2 3 4 ये पता नहीं कौन कौन से स्टेजेस में इन्होंने मैप डाल रखे हैं भाई। मैंने कैंसर का ही सुना था कि स्टेजेस में आते हैं। ये ट्यूनिंग इंडस्ट्री ने स्टेज 1 2 3 4 और सोशल मीडिया में व्हाट इज़ द पावर आउटपुट। सो पावर आउटपुट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट ऑन autocross events and all such, power output is not that important. Till a certain point it is fine, but it's the handling and it's the traction which will outscore the power. And most important is that the driver should know his car in and out. उसके बाद ही, जब तक उसकी स्टॉक गाड़ी पूरी निचोड़ती नहीं है तब तक वो मॉड ना करे अपनी कार को। So that is the principle which I also followed. And slowly and steadily make the car. Don't spend everything on the car once, otherwise you won't come to know which component is working for you in which way. So it is better that you go step by step, okay, and don't try to achieve everything in one go. So that is my piece of advice to the upcoming guys who want to spend on their cars?
अब चाहे मैं उधार की लाऊं, चाहे मैं चोरी की लाऊं, चाहे मैं कैसी लाऊं, उसकी खोल के जाऊंगा मैं. Hey guys, I'm Vidit and I'm ready for race wars and kill all tires and kill Achintya. Cheers. And I've been into motorsports since 2003. I've been done karting to begin with and tested a bunch of different formats. Always been a motorsport enthusiast and love racing cars. And I live, breathe, eat cars is what I've been told since I was a kid. So yes, look forward to Race Wars 2021. As far as rivalry is always good, but again, like rivalry is good when the competition is fair and the stage is set right. And that is what we look forward from D&D. That the stage is fair and for everybody the chance that you get and everything that is done is great.
And twin track you get same condition.
Absolutely, and that is the advantage of the twin track, that the rush, the acceleration you feel is much higher. भाई मतलब compared to मैं अकेले जाके रन मार के आऊँ और टाइम देखूँ फिर दूसरे की वेट करूँ. हाँ मतलब it keeps it exciting, it keeps it entertaining. और हाँ, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी वही होता है. हमें पता है जिनका कितना प्रेशर में क्या होता है. हम देख चुके हैं इंडोनेशिया में, हम देख चुके हैं ताइवान में, हम देख चुके हैं हर एजीसी जिमखाना के राउंड में जहाँ कोई आगे निकलता है वहाँ उसकी फट लेती है.
How was that experience at that young age?
That experience was mind-boggling. Like it was so much to intake, you know. Like I had raced before. Before Polo Cup when I was 13, I tested. That time it was called the Formula FISMI, which is now the Formula 4 or the LGB. So we tested the FISMI, and I hadn't done a season of FISMI, but yeah, I knew what speed was. But then getting into a car which you weren't allowed to drive at home, and then driving on the track was obviously a different experience. One thing that I remember very like vividly is from my first race. I had qualified P9 in round 1 of 2011 Polo Cup, and I was standing on the grid, and Pratik was in front of me, and Alisha was to the left of him. And you know, you go out, you do the formation lap, you come back, you stand on the pit lane, you start on your start position. At that point, your heart is in your mouth. I remember they used to put data logging for every driver, including health data. So my heartbeat was 180 at the start lane. And then as soon as those lights came on, that is something I'll never forget in my life. The first time the lights ever went green in a professional racing championship, that's something that will always have a memory with me and I'll always keep.
So with it, what's your plan for the race?
Go out there and drive my best. What else? The usual.
What are you driving finally?
I'm driving an Audi S6.
The one behind?
Yeah.
So what specs is your car?
That my Tina will be able to answer.
So specs on the car are fast enough.
Nothing. Just give my best shot and try to win against my competitor.
So what car are you running?
I'm running my G16B Turbo Swift.
And that's a double swift. Alright, so let's line up and get Vidit here. Vidit and Achintya, which track do you want? The inner or the
I told you Vijay gets head.
inner outer? Inner outer.
Battle number 5 pitches the two generations of motorsport against each other. It is the experienced Kushal Majumdar versus the young prodigy Jasmeher Jubbal. Battle number 5 and 6. Let's introduce to a unique family where motorsport runs in their blood. Introducing the Jubbals.
Any good drivers in the house? Please come out.
Hello.
2, 3, 4. Welcome to Race Wars India. Welcome. So, the first family in the Race Wars.
Hi, my name is Jasmeher. I'm 16 years old. I'm in Amity University. I love cars and I'm a professional autocross race car driver.
Hi, I'm Aman Jubbal.
Hi, I'm Juninder. We both have the passion for racing.
And I stepped into racing almost around, I guess 3 years back from karting. I'm passionate about cars and I love participating in autocrosses. And I made my way in top 4 girls to represent India internationally in the Gymkhana format last year.
Hi, I'm Muskan Jubbal. I'm going to turn 14 on the 24th January, which is the Race War Day event. I'm passionate about motorsports and I'm practicing driving in autocross format and I'm soon going to be stepping in it. And I'm a 4-stroke national karting champion. So, I was introduced to karting at the age of 10. And then going forward, I stepped into national karting, and then soon I started practicing on manual and automatic cars. And thank you, Dad, for helping me learn. I mean, I had a lot of trouble giving my foot from the clutch, and I still do. But getting practice almost every day, I am getting better, and I feel better and. It motivates me to know that other people, because of me, are stepping into motorsports, and I really feel good about that.
I'm very excited for the Race Wars event, and basically I've lowered my car for the better handling and better performance. There's not much done in the car, so I'm just going to be running the stock engine and having some fun on the Race Wars event.
So, Jasmeher, how did you get into motorsports? What was your motivation that I want to be a racing driver?
So the thing that motivated me through which I stepped into motorsports was since childhood I loved cars, and then a karting track opened here, the Smash. So I basically stepped into racing because of the Smash, and slowly I graduated and I came into autocross, Rotax, 2-stroke, 4-stroke karting. And basically, I just love cars and I love racing.
Then one day this teacher called me and she said that I have a concern. I said, what? She says, it's been almost 2 years. He's done his toddlers and nursery, so we need to upgrade him to send him to KG, but won't be able to because he's still lagging behind and is not in the recognition of this ABCD and everything. So it's you need to do something about it. So I came back home and I was worried. So I didn't know what to do. So she just sat down and I knew what was interested. So Jatinder was traveling. So I took out all his autocar magazines and everything, and I cut through all the pictures. So at the end of the day, I just took the album to him, and that I just made the magic happen. So next morning we went to school, and I said, teacher, ask him. So she opened the scrapbook and she was surprised. So she says, Jasmeher, A for, he says Alto, B for Baleno, C for Corolla, D for Dyker. So she was so surprised. आपने जो हम 2 साल नहीं कर पाए, आपने एक रात में कर दिया. Many people feel that when they say that entered so late, but I feel this is the right time because my kids are grown up. I'm married. I don't have to take any kind of maternal leave or say pregnancy leave, or I don't have to face those diaper changing days or feeding days. I've done what I have to. I'm done with my responsibilities, and this is my time. So I want to do what I want to. So I've always been passionate about driving myself.
Kushal Majumdar is a veteran of the sport, having conquered multiple legendary rallies such as Raid the Himalaya, His achievements are enviable. His professional approach to the sport makes him an ideal mentor for newcomers to learn from.
Hi, I'm Kushal Majumdar. I'm 46 years old. Started my racing career in 2014 and I'm old enough for this event. I'm 46 and hope to see everyone on for race course. इसमें पावर ज़्यादा है
आप लोग करा
तो दिक्कत तो होता है.
डायनो पे क्या है?
डायनो पे आया था 140 टन व्हील्स.
148 व्हील्स. आपने तो क्या इंटरनल?
नहीं मैंने तो नॉर्मल तुम्हारा आरडी लगा हुआ है और जो कोटिंग पॉलिशिंग जो भी है वो सब तो करा ही था. तो फील ने ट्यूनिंग ही किए हैं और तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ इंटरनल्स चेंज नहीं कराया है. तो उसके बाद ही शॉर्ट रेशियो के बाद तो आई कैन रियली फील द पावर. नॉर्मल ट्यूनिंग विदाउट चेंजिंग एनी हार्डवेयर, दिस इज व्हाई इट इज वेरी स्टेबल. अब इसके ऊपर कुछ करने चाहोगे तो फिर देन यू हैव टू ऐड ऑन. मैंने बोला नहीं इतना बहुत है, पहले ये संभाल लूँ उसके बाद आगे सोचेंगे.
सस्पेंशन क्या ला रहे हो?
अभी देख स्टॉक है यूजिंग डोरिंग स्प्रिंग्स. लंबा सा स्टेज था ना बिफोर यू एंड. लंबा सा जगह वो हेयरपिन था एक लेफ्ट को, तो गाड़ी कूद रहा था और वहाँ पे जब लोग सेकंड गियर पे पहुंचता था और मैं थर्ड पे था. मैंने बोला जब मैं सेकंड मार के ना हेयरपिन को सेकंड पे करके और निकल जाऊंगा. मैंने बस क्लच ही दबाया था और मैंने कुछ कर ही नहीं पाया. गाड़ी एकदम कैटापल्ट की तरह उठ के पता नहीं क्या कुछ हो गया और फिर पलट के सीधा तो हो गया और डायरेक्शन उधर ही था. लेकिन तब तक इतने लोग इकट्ठा हो गया वहाँ पे कि मैं आगे जो ले जाऊँ जा ही नहीं सकता. हल्का दिख तो रहा था कि मैं ट्रैक पे ही और सीधा ही खड़ा, पर सब लोग आ गए थे. शीशा वैसे ही टूट गया था. तो मैंने बोला चलो छोड़ो. उससे कॉन्फिडेंस अलग बढ़ गया. मतलब तुम अगर वो 10% अपने आप को सेफ्टी की वजह से होल्ड बैक करते हो ना तो यू कैन एक्चुअली थ्रो योरसेल्फ आउट बिकॉज़ यू नो कि कुछ हुआ है. एंड नॉट जस्ट रोल केज, द सीट एंड द बेल्ट्स आल्सो. सीट आंसर रोल केज. मैंने जब पलटी मारा था 3 बार, पलटी मारने के बाद मैं सीट पे एकदम फर्म बैठा हुआ था. मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ था, हेलमेट तो था ही. ये एक चीज जो है ना ये मैंने अमन से सीखा. उसने बोला था देख गाड़ी तो कुछ भी चला, इट हैज टू बी प्रॉपर्ली बिल्ट. रेस कार शुड बी अ रेस कार. हर गाड़ी को लेके नहीं तुम भाग सकते. सेफ्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
आपने स्टार्ट कौन से साल में किया था? 2014 में आपने ये खड़ी करी थी शायद?
नहीं, ये मैंने खड़ी करी थी 2015 या 16 में. I never liked this event. I don't know why. I never liked it. पर एक जिद था कि एक बार जाऊंगा क्योंकि दिस इज द ओनली इवेंट जहाँ से मैं आज तक कोई ट्रॉफी नहीं आया. अच्छा. हाँ.
This venue also I am planning.
Okay.
यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग ट्रैक.
सीरिया के लिए तो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल वेन्यू है. पर जिप्सी प्रॉब्ली शायद आई डोंट नो. रैली में तो संभल जाता था पर ऑटोक्रॉस में मैं इसको संभाल नहीं पाता था. एक तो ऑटोक्रॉस में ना अलग ही लेवल की प्रेशर होता है और अजीब सी मतलब घटनाएं घटता था जिप्सी के जैसे टांग उठ जाना. फिर चला रहा था अचानक बेल्ट खुल गया. मतलब वो स्टीयरिंग और हाथ लग के वो लॉक खुल गया, बेल्ट खुल गया.
कॉर्नर सारे टाइट है ना
बहुत. वो तो आई डोंट नो. बस वो रेड के बाद आई वाज नॉट टू कीन ऑन ड्राइविंग दिस व्हीकल. एक तो कमर में बहुत दर्द होता था या मतलब टाइगर लीव स्प्रिंग्स कमर में कुछ फंसता नहीं था.
Battle number 6 is the all ladies battle. The two friends off the racetrack face each other on the track. It's Aman Jubal versus Shamta Yadav. Dr. Shamta Yadav is relentless in her quest for speed, spending hours practicing and honing her skills for each event. Her approach to the sport makes her a formidable competitor.
In motorsports, it is fantastic journey so far, and my best moment in motorsports, I have finished first runner-up in National Indian Autocross. So that was my best moment in motorsports. Otherwise, I enjoyed it thoroughly. When I started participating, then I thought, this is it. I want to do this. I'm enjoying thoroughly.
So any
to be more and more aggressive, and I just want to learn technically more. I just want to learn many things for the car, and I want to finish podium again and again.
So what is the best part of motorsport that you enjoy?
People. They are so supportive. They are really good. And after that, the once event finished, everybody was in party mode and they enjoyed. I love this fraternity very much.
So, how has your family supported you getting into the sport, and what is your advice to new drivers who want to join this sport?
My family, touch wood, they are, my husband, my kids, everyone is very supportive. In fact, my whole family, my brother, sister, everybody was feeling proud that, even the friends also, that, okay, you are doing some adventurous thing, which is not very common, so this is the thing, and my advice to newcomers, just come forward, overcome your fear, and enjoy this sport. This is wonderful sport. Definitely, I always told everyone, I always tell everyone that, car gives you wings. You are not dependent on anybody. You can move anywhere. Cars, it's like your wing. So even though my daughter is only 15, I always insist her to learn car. My son learned in age of 14. So motorsports is wonderful thing. Definitely, it's for women empowerment, this is a one way.
And your son is also into motorsport. Can you share some information about that?
Yeah, he is with Ryan Karthikeyan, and recently he participated in Rotex match with Arjun Mani and Kush Mani, who are biggies in motorsports. It's privileged to participate with them. So he learned a lot. That is wonderful experience with them. The people are so humble, those so supportive, and even though Narayan, he is a wonderful guy. So he learned a lot, and hope for the best. We are trying him for the best. Oh, thank you.
This is my favorite place, and एक बार मैं यहाँ पे आई थी जीप के में, तो जब बिग में गए तो वो थोड़ी सी एक स्ट्रिप निकल गई थी, बिडिंग निकल गई थी, सब पूरी अफवाह ये फैल गई थी कि क्षमता मैडम ने गाड़ी उड़ा दी।
ये हुआ था, रिमेम्बर।
So I was so upset, मैं ये हो क्या रहा है? एक बिडिंग निकली थी जीप की, जब बिग में ऐसे जा रहे थे, एंड ये हो गया कि क्षमता ने पूरी गाड़ी उड़ा दी। तो मैं इतना बैकफुट में चली गई थी, एक साल मैंने पूरा बैकफुट में लिया।
क्यों?
हो जाता है ना, I understand what she's saying, because I'll be very honest. So guys, when you're growing up, although thanks to my dad, I was still at his good, but when you grow up in a society like ours, and I've lived abroad, so seeing from that perspective, लड़कों को शुरू से दिमाग खुला होता है, वो उनके पास कोई full stops नहीं होते. You've been raised, or your society pressures are such with women. There are a lot of commas in our lives, so we constantly keep self-reflecting, constantly, without.
We are also dog lovers. बढ़िया में तकरीबन कस्टमर आते हैं, तक जाते हैं।
हाँ, seriously.
वो आ जाता है। I think हम लोग का coming generation or the one after it will be a lot easier.
Even our kids, they are
smarter. And when not men like, why do women need this जब वो बाहर निकलती है ना, बस में भी चढ़ती है, तो नहीं पता है what they go through. So sometimes some places we do that, but not forever. Not forever. It should not be कि generation के लिए continue हो रहा है. Will be
With 6 races done, we build up for the last 3 races and the finals of Race Wars India 2021.